and today I'm joined here with Naomi and she's going to be doing my Halloween makeup. So let's go into video. Ignore my hair, I've literally just shoved it up so she can stick this on my face. But yeah, so what is your look that you're going for, Naomi?
I'm not going to tell you. You're going to have to guess what it is at the end.
Wait, can you show them though? I'll close
Oh,
my
yeah,
eyes. I'll close my eyes so I can't see.
So
Tell me when you're done.
Okay. Oh shit, the Wi-Fi thing came up, hang on.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god, everything's gone like black and dotty now. Oh my god, have you seen the video where George did my makeup?
No, I haven't actually. I've watched every other video that come out recently because I love Halloween. What the fuck?
My hair's a vest, it's gonna annoy me.
This is annoying me.
Do you want me to take it out?
No, I'm independent.
Is it?
See, told you. Do you have a...
She's an independent woman.
Do you have a sponge?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, can I have the sponge, please? Oh. Swatching.
Swatch test. Okay, here you go. There's a sponge.
Look at me, hon.
Can the camera... Just get in my mouth, it's fine.
I'm not making you all white. I'm just making you, Naomi, white. What? That didn't touch your eye.
It went right in my eyeball.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it... It went right... I'm keeping my eyes closed.
Close your eyes. And there's, see, the thing I showed is trying to get into the the room right now.
Oh, great.
This is not good.
I feel like my eyes are watering now, Naomi. My eyes are on fire. Oh my eyes.
Stop making me laugh, I sound like a kettle.
Oh my god. Do you know, we haven't filmed this year at all.
No, I know.
We haven't filmed since Christmas.
It's fine, I'm coming back for baking. Baking Naomi.
That is literally our thing. I think we should bake something different this
Yeah,
year.
we
bake
make
cookies
cookies
every
single year.
Every year we make cookies. We need to make something else. Oh my god, Naomi, you've made my eyes water.
Should we do a whole roast dinner? Like how to make
How
Christmas
to
dinner?
cook Christmas dinner. Oh dear.
I'm sorry, I'll just do it on your forehead.
Big forehead. My eyes are watering like mad. Oh, it's a bit warm in here, isn't it?
No.
Just me.
It's trying to get in. It's gonna go.
Oh my god, I wouldn't open my eyes, but I'm too scared now that you've poked me in the eye once. Oh. Okay, as we press play. Oh yeah. Alice Puff!
Right, no,
Nice.
you need to come closer.
Come closer. Am I close enough?
Yeah, close your eyes.
Okay, I'll close my eyes. Wait, can I take my jumper off?
Yeah.
Oh good. 'Cause
Careful with your face.
I'm boiling. I mean, I'm boiling. Oh my goodness. Do you know what? I blame George for me swearing so much.
Oh, I can't believe we haven't filmed the show.
I know. We better make this a good one.
It's probably not. It's probably going to be the same as all the fucking other ones. Oh, sorry, all the bleeping other ones.
We're so bad.
You want to get monetized. You want to get that money.
Do you know what? You don't even get demonetized for swearing. I don't know what it's all about, but like, I just don't like swearing in my videos. You know, you should keep them kid friendly.
Kid friendly. I wonder what kids watch your channel. Go away, you.
Go away, Alice.
She wants to get in. She wants to know what's going on.
I feel like I'm missing out, guys.
Okay, I've got to go over your beloved eyebrows. I'm really sorry. I'm redrawing them on.
Oh, are you? Okay.
I'm turning into drag queen. Oh my god.
Oh my god, can I tell you something? Right, this bit I've got to cut out the video.
Okay.
So just don't do anything. Ah, right, continue.
So, Charlie.
I hope I'm not with George when I'm editing this video.
What do you do with your...
What do I do in my life?
Yeah.
Nothing, sit in bed all day.
Maybe you should do something about it.
I'm waiting for a job. I'm waiting to hear back from a job, actually.
Oh, actually, you can apply for the pub with me, the Wheat Sheaf.
Oh my god, imagine us both working in the pub
No, that would
together.
not be good. They've got like, I'll send you the thing. They've got like open days, and you have to go in for a training.
Oh, I
day.
don't even want to work if you're working there.
Well, we're probably both not getting jobs. So
Imagine us both working there. Oh my god, that'd be like trouble. How are they supposed to see it from all the way over here?
They can still see. It's not like.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I feel like I've disappeared.
I mean, if you've watched our previous Halloween videos, you know this is not going to be good.
What have you done?
Okay, look, I thought it looks better here than it does on there.
Okay. Is it?
Shh, I'm getting rid of those ugly brows.
Wait, I think my brows look quite nice. I got them done actually.
They grow back well fast. Mine don't even grow back. I got mine at...
Yeah, do you remember at the beginning of this year I had half an eyebrow?
Yeah, because you fucking kept tweezing... Sorry, you bleeping kept tweezing them.
I tweezed them when I had my eyebrows filled in. Don't
Look
ever
up.
do that. Guys, don't ever fill in your eyebrows. Don't ever fill in your eyebrows and pluck them. Wait, don't ever pluck your eyebrows when they're filled in.
Okay, do you have a eyeshadow brush that you don't use?
Oh, sure. I'll find you one. Don't you worry. That's alright. I've got so many eyeshadow crushes. It doesn't really matter if they get ruined.
Did you see me last when I had blue hair?
No.
Did...
That must have been in summer. I didn't see you all summer.
Bro, this hair is literally... this. I did this like last week.
Is it?
And you have not seen me in the past week.
These.
Okay, you haven't seen me in the past
Nah,
week.
last time I saw you, you didn't have brown hair. You had a different colour hair.
Yeah, it was blue.
No, it
It
wasn't.
was blue black.
It was black.
Blue
I
black.
saw your black hair, not blue hair.
It's blue. Come here.
Oh, if you see. I swear it was black.
Look up. Trying to get in the crinkles. Look up. Up, not down.
Also, I'm looking up. Wait, actually, I might be looking down.
Okay, right.
I'll just pretend I can.
Shh, you got to cut that out. Get around those creases.
Up the nostrils.
Right, this is the best bit.
Is it? I'm scared.
Look at me. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Dream a dream.
Wait, I wasn't singing. I think it's like close my eyes and I.
Oh.
That was not what the song I was going for though.
Oh.
I was going. Close your eyes, bright eyes. Every now and then I fall apart, and I need you now.
Look up.
I was probably getting into that song. It's about you just have to go look up.
You're ruining it.
Sorry. Okay, right. I'll look up.
Stop, okay.
Oh, you're trying to make me look like one of those like 100 Dalmatian things.
No, you're already a bitch.
Oh my God.
Look, see what I'm doing here, because you're just annoying me. Every now and then. People are not going to find this funny, only we are. Because we're really
That's always
funny.
like we are in the videos. We always find ourselves funny and everyone's like, not even funny.
Is that what the comments say?
No.
I can never bring myself to read those in case they hate. He's like, Naomi, you fat bitch. Get on the... Stop baking the fucking cookies.
You make me laugh
Stop,
so
you're
weird.
making this go so bad.
Is that your excuse?
Yeah.
That's
you.
gonna be her excuse at the
It's
end when she
all
hasn't done
you.
it. Are you making me into the nun?
Maybe. I'm shaking. Right.
Oh my God, right, me and mum went to watch the nun and this lady, it was just me and my mum and this lady in the cinema, she kept on moving. Me and my mum was more scared than the lady than the nun.
Right, close your eyes. Okay. Every now and then. Oh shit.
Oh no, I'm scared. I sent George a picture of me, right, as a cat the other day and he was like, what the hell are you doing? I was like, I was like, one day you'll get used to it. It means I'm filming a video if I look weird.
No.
You make me into a clown.
No.
Are you sure?
Yes, stop.
Oh my God, that actually looks quite good. Wait, actually from far away it does. And then you got close, you're like, what the
Stop, look at me, you're gonna ruin
Sorry.
You're just ruining me.
That's gonna be an excuse at the end when it looks rubbish.
It is you. It's always you.
Yeah.
Every now and then. Stop, right. Actually, I am making you into the nun.
I'm not a nun though, I'm far from it.
Stop. Stop it, you might...
Don't get bare views though, wouldn't it? I'd get bare views.
And then everyone would be commenting, oh, what a whore. I always knew it would be her. I love to eat
Oh, I thought you were
bananas.
gonna say you love me.
No. Right, look at me. Not like that, you ugly ass. I can't do it. You won't get that because you don't watch Vine.
Oh my God, Naomi, have you watched my TikToks?
No, because I saw them firsthand when you sent it to me.
Well, I have loads more TikToks than that.
Do you?
I mean,
Are they public?
Oh, yeah, everyone go follow me on TikTok. I have
Get to
bare
4.5k. Right,
I have bare videos on there. I have 1,000 something followers, and I don't even take it serious. Are you making me into a horny devil?
Yes. Defo. Stop it, right?
Sorry.
You got some crusty bit.
I knew you were gonna say that. I just knew it. It's like it's bright.
Maybe for the Christmas video we should make moisturiser instead. A lip scrub, anyone? Guys, put into the comments. Suggest what we should make for the Christmas video.
When it's Halloween.
Shut up.
We're making a Halloween video and you're asking about Christmas.
It's almost Christmas.
In like 2 months.
Right, let me just quickly look at my inspiration.
Okay. Is your inspiration going well? Or not?
We'll let the audience decide. Right, you're done now.
Oh, you're making me into it.
Pennywise.
Oh, sorry. Let me have a look.
I think they look relatively similar.
Wait.
Smile really weirdly.
Oh my god, this has made my teeth look bare orange. Look.
Ew, that's so gross.
My teeth aren't actually that yellow, are they? Wait.
Cut that out!
Right, guys, can I just clear this up? My teeth are not that yellow. What the hell? Do you think it's because my face is white?
Yeah, maybe.
Wait.
Your lips are red. That's so scary. Oh, because you just smelled a cancer stick.
Oh wait, should I try and make myself into?
Yeah, but you got to stick out your bottom lip like. Wait, how'd you?
Right.
No. Oh. This.
Georgie!
Stop. You got to say Georgie.
Okay, wait. Can you give
Hi,
me? Wait,
Georgie.
let me show you what it looks like, and I'll try to do this thing.
Cool.
So
His whole bottom lip just like.
Ah.
I don't think this is going well.
Georgie.
Should I put on these Halloween nails?
Georgie.
Oh my
Georgie. Oh dear. 20%.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe and follow Charlie's TikTok and give us baking suggestions in the comment section below.
People are gonna.
I know you miss me. XOXO.
People are gonna be giving me tooth whitening advice because this made my teeth look so white.
Bro.
Wait, orange.
These are so shit. What the fuck?
You ready, Naomi?
Don't shop at Primark. It's a scam.
Where'd you find them?
In the bottom of the box. Next
What?
video, trying Halloween nails.
I did try an Halloween nails.
Oh,
I've got
okay.
other ones.
I didn't finish your
Wait, where's this from?
Should I? Oh, actually, right. I'm gonna give her some blood just to add to the.
Oh, great. I thought you were done.
She thick.
Do
Okay.
not fucking get that on my
I
bed.
won't,
Here's
I
your tray.
Okay, put it on your face. I'm Pennywise, the dancing clown.
You got to have some near my mouth too.
Hi, Georgie.
Georgie.
You want your boat back? Come here, quick.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my god, you look like you're crying blood.
Oh.
I think I should do makeup for the American Horror Story
So-
stuff. Shit.
I feel like you're just ruining the look, but you know. I mean, sure.
He just demolished that boy's
He just
arm.
ate Georgie.
Well, come here and I'll blend it.
Georgie?
Stop it. He's here. Look. Stop. Refrigerate and listen. Ice, ice, baby. Look at me.
Oh my god, Cam's got a clown on. Oh, shit.
Look at me. Get it? Because you...
Georgie! Have you seen the new It?
No.
Oh my god, it's amazing.
Is it? Look at me, quick.
I still prefer the first one though.
Oh, the first films are always better.
Yeah.
Stephen King
But
is a queen. There you go.
should I do the...
Hi guys, I'm now taking applications for Halloween makeup 2019. So if you're interested, please just pay me £100. I honestly don't know why I'm friends with you still.
I got my
Guys,
hair.
that's why I was gone for so long. I just could not put up with her shit no more.
Oh my god, it looks like I'm eating people too. Should put a bit of blood on my teeth so that's like when I actually eat them.
Oh, don't. That's probably not edible. Actually, eat it. I'm joking. It actually doesn't say. So. Oh my god, eat it and then sue Primark.
Oh my god, yeah. I'll be like, you didn't tell me it
Oh
was
no,
edible.
wait, hang on.
Georgie! Georgie! Oh my god, should I send George a video of me going, Georgie? Shall I?
It doesn't say.
Shall I? Oh my god, Naomi, shall I?
Oh my god, listen to this. Be careful, it may stain skin.
Oh, great. What if I go to George? I go meet George tomorrow to go, what the fuck happened to your face? I'll be like, I turned into Georgie.
No, because Georgie's the kid, you're the clown.
Yeah, I know, but I'm gonna go to him.
Doesn't it? It looks quite good actually, compared to my other attempts.
We need a wig.
Did you just fart?
That was my nose.
So guys, I know you missed me. I'm joking, they probably don't even know the fuck
Oh my god, that looked so scary, didn't it? Oh my god, shall I put that in? Shall I put that in the beginning of the video? That's how it was well scary.
Sure. It's the cancer.
I'm alright.
So guys, thanks for watching this video.
Okay, so thank you for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, comment down below any of the Christmas video. Wait. Wait. Let me start again. Thank you for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below any of the videos you guys like see. Also, make sure to follow my social media. There's a link down below. And if you'd like to see me in another video, then comment down below. You don't have a choice because she's just going to be in another video anyway. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.